Greetings, my beautiful family, lovers of freedom all over the world. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depend on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always supporting me. I really do appreciate. All right, my wonderful family, this moment I just have a wonderful one to share with each and every one of us because what is too much is too much and enough is enough. Now let's go into the news in details. Troops killed IPOB members in firefight in Imo community. The army said IPOB has continued to intimidate and harass citizens who come out to do their legitimate business. Troops in Imo have neutralized a member of the indigenous people of Biafra and Eastern Security Network in Imo State. For this, I will be bringing it to you, and I also will be putting my own opinion, and I will be expatiating on this particular issue. They make an agreement and they make an arrangement and say that IPOB, they are harassing people every Monday to sit at home. How? When? Where? Can they bring the proof? Who can come out and say IPOB said if I did not close my shop on Monday, it will be a big problem for me? Who will come out to say that? The leadership of IPOB suspended this sit at home till Mazina Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, will be appearing in court. The people that are doing this Monday sit at home, they are doing it willingly. They have their rights and they have their life to live. So why is it so painful to the federal government of Nigeria that the people that they were thinking that we back Mazina Kanu and said we don't want to have anything to do with you, they are the people coming out to tell the government that this is our son, he is our brother, and he is the father. So anybody that the Nigeria government is trying to harass or try to do anything with, they are just doing it out of what is in their mind that they want to do to the people of Biafra. I think that because there is nobody that has ever come out and said IPOB, Eastern Security Network, they are out to harass me if I open my shop. No, open your shop, and when you see people come to buy something, okay, and when you did not see anybody come to buy something, then where will you put your blame? So they never for once, even the people that are opening their mouth to say sit at home will not hold, they are the first people that will not even open their shop. They have collected some money. So for that, they are putting the blame on everybody. Meanwhile, they know what to do within their own circle. He said others engaged in setting homes and business ablaze in the state have been deprived. The spokesperson for the 82 Division, Abubakar, said on Tuesday, this is pure lie. The people that are setting houses ablaze, they are Nigeria government. Eastern Security Network, IPOB member, we never do that. Now, if anything happened, they easily said is IPOB or Eastern Security Network. You see their life? Those houses that were burned, that even the people that were there were making the videos and they were showing it out. They were saying it out that is Nigeria army that have come to do this. So why are we lying? Before the world, they know that the people that are responsible to the burning of these houses is the government. Troops conducting exercise Golden Dawn have despised IPOB, Eastern Security Network, and Holmes carrying out some assignment while enforcing the illegitimate sit-at-home order imposed by the indigenous people of Biafra on Monday. In quest of comply citizens to comply with their order of sit at home, IPOB, Eastern Security Network criminals, they are harassing and intimidating, physically abuse of people going about their lawful business. Says who? Says who that IPOB, they are accusing people? Says who? Please, we have to see the truth and say it, and keep sharing this video. Share this video for them to know that what they are saying is not true. What they are saying is total lie. That is a lie. IPOB never harassed anyone. IPOB never said if you did not come out, or if you come out, if you did not stay inside, if I see you outside, I will do this, I will do that. Never. How many times since this Monday start home that these people they are doing voluntarily? How many times have you seen any IPOB member, Eastern Security Network member, outside that want to challenge anybody about the sit-at-home? No. The criminals went further to carry out arson and destruction of business and home at the junction in Owerri Expressway against the citizens for not complying with their alleged order. The Holums, who has earlier blocked the highway, set ablaze a commercial vehicle leading towards Onitsha. So the Nigerian government now, they are just confusing themselves. 1 minute they said it's Holums, 2 minutes they said it's IPOB, 3 minutes they said it's Eastern Security Network. But 4 minutes they will never say it's Fulani herdsmen. This is the tricks they are using. So are they telling us that all the houses that were being sent ablaze, especially this last week or this week, earlier this week, that is IPOB or Eastern Security Network that is sending it ablaze? That is why they are going from house to house to kidnap them. That is the innocent people they are taking. Yes, they are taking the innocent people, and IPOB never forced anybody to sit at home. Vigilante troops respond to distress calls by motorcyclists and shop owners, move to the scene and engage the Holums in firefight. The twins overwhelmed the Holum, forcing them to scupper in different directions. The twins pursued the Holum to their hideouts in AGATHA community in Olu East local government area, where a member of the group was neutralized in the shootout. While the troops engaged the Holums in their hideouts, other members of the group who alleged that some individual has volunteered information to the troop neutralized at Isheki Junction and set ablaze houses and business of law-abiding citizens. The troops again returned to the junction to disperse the Holums. Unfortunately, a gallant soldier paid the supreme price in defense of the people, the spokesperson said. Then there's one shocking place, said even in the facts of the unwholesome propaganda by IPOB, Eastern Security Network, and other criminals, elements, and their collaborators to misinform Nigeria on the truth regarding the reason of Owo, the Nigerian Army will continue to remain professional. The Nigerian Army appealed to the good people of Imo State to ignore the propaganda and threats by IPOB and its group. You see, they now agree that he said it's not only IPOB that are responsible. He said IPOB, Eastern Security Network, and some other criminals said they collaborate. All of them, they were very many. Then they join for all of them, they collaborate. So they join forces and they start to fight them. That people should try and come out, people should not mind them. Despite that this food called cancelling the Monday sit-at-home order, IPOB members have continued to intimidate and harass citizens who come out to do their legitimate business, he added. You don't hear what he said? He said, though the IPOB members said they cancel the sit-at-home, but they are still harassing people, they are still doing all sorts of things, that they are liars, they are this, they are that people should not mind them. Shoo! That is why they said these people, they are sitting down at home in solidarity with the leader of Biafra willingly. Nobody is forcing them. So, what is the Nigerian government trying to say? What are their motives? You can imagine, and you can see the propaganda here. Who is fooling who? They are the ones that are fooling themselves. They don't really know. We will correct them that they are the ones that are fooling themselves. All right, my wonderful family, you have got the news now. How they are not killing people in Biafra land, Imo State especially. Is so rampant there that they are all instant security network, they are IPOB, and at the end of the day, they came up and said other criminals also joined them. Which way? Anyways, it is what it is. We must definitely move on. Thank you so dearly for always watching. Please do well to share this video, like and subscribe if you haven't. I still remain your one and only Agatha Progress, any day, anytime. And if you haven't joined this family, oh yeah, oh, Baba say, please click on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, I say bye.